Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Charge your Beats for at least 30 minutes so pairing won't fail mid-process. Once charged, press and hold the power button for about 2-3 seconds until the LED flashes, which signals pairing readiness. Make sure your phone, tablet, or computer has Bluetooth enabled and is within 3 meters. This proximity avoids intermittent connections. While you enable Bluetooth on the device, keep the headphones powered and visible, so the next step finds them immediately. Once the headphones are discoverable, open your device's Bluetooth list and tap the Beats model name you see. If a pairing prompt appears, accept it, and on older devices, enter passkey 0000 or confirm the code shown. After pairing, make sure audio output is routed to the Beats by checking the device sound settings. You should see the headphones listed as the active output. Once connected, the LED often becomes steady or blinks slower. This indicates a stable link for audio streaming and controls. Now test playback and adjust volume both on your device and with the Beats onboard controls. You'll also use those buttons for calls and track skipping, so verify they respond. If pairing fails, reset the headphones by holding power plus the volume button until the LED flashes, then repeat the pairing sequence. This clears stale Bluetooth records. Also, make sure to update firmware through the official app when available, because updates often resolve connectivity bugs and improve battery behavior and audio quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.